So today, in a bid to test my earphone microphone, if they can feed good audio into my recording camera, I decided to show you this. Now, this is the Samsung Galaxy S7, and for some reason, its battery refused to work. And right here, what you see I was attempting is to build a battery to be able to test. And as such, I thought I should also use this opportunity to simply show you how a smartphone battery is. It is basically two things: an accumulator, this is like a storage tank, and then a control board, this is like a tap that controls the amount of current or water that flows out of this, and in this case also into this. So that tap serves two purposes: as an intake and an outlet. So in this sense, to make this battery compatible with this phone or the amount of power it needs to power up, you need that tap, that valve, that control board. And so smartphone battery is just two of those things. So in most cases, if you have a smartphone whose battery you cannot get, and you have a tank with dimensions, by tank I mean the accumulator, that can fit into that bracket, then you can get it from another phone and then pick this control valve, the tap or control board, and join the two. Look for the positive. I've connected using a wire to there and to there, and then this will allow that battery work with this smartphone. Unfortunately, when I was picking mine, I kind of messed it up. I over applied heat and it doesn't help me much. Otherwise, I would have gone forward to power on the phone and show you that the battery actually powers the phone. For my case, it's unable. But I think let me try to find another control board and connect it to this accumulator or storage unit of power to be able to power my phone. And I'm glad you're here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.